Okay, hello everyone. Okay, so this is entry today. As you can see, why gold fly and why I give buy, and then I scalping sell because I just want top up my capital. Okay, but you need to know the concept. Just focus on breakout and then focus on key level. What is key level? Key level is SNR, which is R for resistance, support for support. Okay, S for support, R, S. Okay, now let's see what will happen. Okay, now you need to turn to line chart. Okay, now you need to back test. Why gold fly here? Why gold fly here? Why gold fly here? And why gold drop here? You need to understand why gold drop here. Okay, you need to understand all concept and the reason. Okay, first you need to know the concept breakout. Example, this is R. Breakout this R will be S zone. That's why S for buy. That's why gold fly. This is R. Break will be S. Will be RBS. So that's why gold fly. And then why gold falling? Why gold falling here? Because have resistance. So that means this R is respect the zone, and then will be selling zone. Okay, in case okay, now focus on current market price around this level. Okay, this level. Okay, now we need to focus. Okay, why gold fly here for previous one? So this is, I just explained entry today. Why I give buy here? Because have R breakout, and then pull back to this zone and then buy. Okay, this is for previous one. And why for second one? Okay, why here? Because of here. Okay, just marking zone. By the way, this is floating. Okay, this is floating, but floating is normal. Okay, floating is normal, but you can learn. Okay, if you turn to candlestick, you will know. This is resistance and then breakout, pull back. Yes, already fly, but this is second time valid. See, this is also have support here, and then have engulfing. That's why gold fly. So what next? Okay, just marking this demand is supply area, which is this is have sideways zone, so you can call this is demand zone, and then you can focus here. Okay, let's say this resistance breakout, gold will fly until this level. Okay, so this is simple concept. Breakout, focus on breakout, and then next have two support here, breakout. So maybe potential fly until this level will be RSS setup. But the zone, you need to know the zone, the risk. From here until here around 50 pips, big zone. Okay, big zone, because all resistance is valid. This is valid. So just marking here. If you want low risk, just marking like this. Okay, use horizontal line and then marking here 1977. Let's say here. Okay, if you want try sell, maybe you can try sell here. Okay, or here you can try sell here, or here at the highest resistance around 1979. Okay, but big zone, you need to know gold will fly and keep fly if break this resistance. And then you need to know why gold fly for previous one is because of SRR M1. Okay, this is my previous one. Okay, this is R, this is support, R1, R2, this is S. So once breakout, pull back, we entry, buy. Okay, until fly. And then why I give sell for previous 50 pips? Okay, I give sell here. Okay, why? Because have resistance. So if respect, yes, gold will falling down around 50p, and then close. I already give one only TP, 1964, and hit TP and give 50 pips to us. Now already breakout. So once breakout, just focus on buy. Focus on buy. That's why breakout, pull back and fly. Okay, easy concept. You need to learn. Sometimes you can self trade. Okay, by the way, enough for signal today. You can self trade. You can try and error. If loss, just loss. If profit, you can enjoy. Okay, simple. Trading is simple. Okay, focus on breakout. Focus on key level. This is breakout, pull back, entry. Simple, right? So I give sell here because respect. Enough. We focus on scalping, focus on profit. If profit, we close. And then why go fly here? Why go fly? Because have support. So you can buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Every support you can buy and sell. Have resistance, you can buy, but if loss, you can counter for buy. Okay, always enjoy and learn. Okay.